Here at DINK, we have amazing.
It's wonderful to have so many illustrators and cartoonists all in one place. The energy's been amazing.
We're here promoting our books, Nightmares Unhinged, and the future book we have coming out in November called Cyber World.
I'm Christina, and we have a button.
Thrilled to be a part of DINK and to really promote zines and know that people are still making them.
I go by Recycle Propaganda. I do social and political artwork, and the venue's so cool. This building's like a labyrinth and a treasure trove of all cool, neat stuff in different rooms, different departments.
Exploring and seeing new stuff.
It was like the hippest place in all of the universe, right here.
DINK!
DINK! DINK!
DINK!
DINK!